How to add video to a queue on your YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add video to a queue in your YouTube. Now, without any further ado, let's move forward. You need to head over to your browser. Then in the search bar, you need to type youtube.com. Now that you're in the YouTube, you need to simply go ahead and find the video that you want to add to your queue. Then once you find the video, you can see the three dots next to it. You need to simply go ahead and click on that, and from here you can see the first option that says add to queue. You need to simply go ahead and click on add to queue, and as you can see that the video is now added to your queue. Now if you want to add other video in the queue, you need to simply go ahead and find the video, and then you need to click on three dots right next to it, and again you need to repeat same thing. Now once you do that, you can see that two videos has been added to the queue. That's it. You now know how to add videos to queue on your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.